Backing up, restoring, or transferring favorites can only be done using a computer. Connect the Navigator to your computer. Open Garmin Express. Select your device. Tools and Content. Utilities. Select Backup now. All your favorites will be backed up into the computer. If you want to restore the backup to the same Navigator, go to Utilities. Select Restore Backup. Choose the backup you need. Restore. If you want to transfer your favorites to another Navigator, go to Utilities. Choose the source device and backup you need. Transfer now. Besides using Garmin Express, you can also use File Explorer to backup, restore, or transfer your favorites directly. Connect the Navigator to your computer. Open its folder in File Explorer. Open the GPX folder. All your favorites are saved in this current.gpx. Copy it to your desktop. Rename it. Backing up is done. If you want to restore or transfer favorites, open the GPX folder. Copy the backed up GPX file into it. And it's done. All the restoring and transferring methods in this video manage data using a merge way. The original favorites in the Navigator will not be deleted. Thank you for watching.